Today we're going to be discussing the difference between elasticity, plasticity, brittleness, and ductility. We'll start with elastic behavior. If something exhibits elastic behavior, it will deform when force is applied, but then return to its original shape when the force is removed. For instance, this piece of wood is exhibiting elastic behavior. It will bend and then return to its original shape when I take off the force. Plastic behavior is a little different. If something exhibits plastic behavior, it will deform when force is applied, but it will not return to its original shape afterwards. Many materials will exhibit elastic behavior to a point, and then exhibit plastic behavior afterwards. We'll talk about why this is occurring afterwards. For instance, this piece of clay will return from a slight deformation, but will deform permanently when I apply more force. Brittle behavior is different from both elasticity and plasticity. It has more to do with whether a material will fail or change shape first. Something that exhibits brittle behavior would much rather fail than change its shape when force is applied. This lay chip will break when I apply force to it rather than simply bending. Ductility is the flip side of brittleness. If an object exhibiting ductile behavior will deform, usually forming a long central neck rather than simply breaking. The clay is exhibiting ductile behavior. When I apply force to it, it will stretch and form a neck between the two sides. Most materials exhibit both plastic and elastic behavior to a certain extent. Every material has what's known as an elastic limit, the point at which it will stop behaving elastically and either fail ductility or brittly. The piece of wood has an elastic limit. I bend it and it will return to its original shape. If I bend it too far, however, it will fail and cause brittle behavior. You can see that after it passes elastic limit, it won't return to its original shape. In this case, it's because it's now in several pieces. This piece of wire will fail plastically. At a certain point, it won't return to its original shape anymore, and it will not return to its original shape after passing its elastic limit.